Good times, great music at 2 and you are FM 103.7. It is time to bring in the lunch tray. The tray has arrived with our chef, Gavin Forman, who's, running around all over the place. You're a little bit exhausted coming in. What's going on?
Just a little bit flustered. It was just one minute it was 9:15, and the next minute it was 11:10, and I'm like, I need to be somewhere.
I need to be somewhere and then on to everything else.
Yes.
Mate, as always, I'm going to ask you again, how's life in the trade at the moment?
It's pretty good. Lots of people coming back through the doors. Staffing's still an issue because there's flu going around, there's COVID still going around. None of that's gone away. We just don't pay attention to it anymore.
Yeah.
So we're still short.
All right. Well, that's it is
not as short as you, but we're still short.
Well, yeah, but that's not fair. You're about 2 foot taller than me. All right, let's get into today's dish. Let's have a look at it.
It's more of a side dish. Kimchi. Mm-hmm. Have you had kimchi before?
Never.
So, do you like pickled vegetables?
No.
Excellent. You'll love this.
Excellent, because this
is
fits right into that category.
Fermented cabbage.
Why do I have a feeling you knew this already?
Oh, I don't know.
It was in the back of your mind that you knew that was the go.
I just used the force.
Right. Fermented cabbage.
Fermented cabbage, vegetables, garlic, ginger, shallots or scallions if you can find them, and chili, all ground up into a paste, fermented with the liquid you boil the cabbage in. The cabbage is cut into like 1-inch squares, and you got to keep it, ferment it, and then you've got it for life.
Essentially, all of those ingredients are together.
Yeah.
We'll have to wait and see what kimchi's like.
I'll
do that and you keep talking.
It's very much a side dish. It would go with, say, your chicken skewers or something like that. It'd be the Korean version of coleslaw.
Gotcha.
So it's not something you just sit down and eat a big bowl. You could.
Well, you could. I still think it's more of a snack, like you said.
Yes. And it's really refreshing and there's really good health benefits to kimchi.
You know what? This is the reverse of what you said. For me, this is one where I now like the taste but hate the smell.
Okay, it is
smell, because it's very overpowering.
Boiled cabbage is quite a smell.
Yeah,
it's quite a distinctive smell. Growing up in Ireland, boiled cabbage, I was quite used to the smell of that.
Yeah, no, as you came in, the smell was like a little overpowering. I thought, this is going to be, how you going?
No, it's quite nice. The Koreans love it. Absolutely love it. They go mental for it.
All right. Well, I can't blame them. It's actually not too bad.
You're going to score it.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Wow. I'm disappointed.
See, there's more than just meat pies and pizza here. I mean, we're very, cosmopolitan.
There's more than cheeseburgers with no tomato sauce here.
We're very cosmopolitan here at Thompson. Kimchi, you've done well.
But the beautiful thing about it is when immigrants come to a country, they bring their food and they bring their culture. And the food's just brilliant. There's so many, like I've been in Newcastle since the late 90s. And now you're seeing Korean restaurants and Japanese restaurants, not just your Chinese one on the corner. So it's great to see this come into the country.
And again, something that the ingredients aren't really, they're not that exotic. It's not something you have to go looking and hunting for.
No, you can change. There's a certain type of cabbage that I like to use. I just use the green one. So you can just substitute. And I've used Korean chili flakes that are not quite as pungent as normal chili flakes you buy in the supermarket. But hey, if you want to make it hotter, make it hotter.
Sounds pretty good, Gav. I'm not sure whether you're happy or you're unhappy with
We're going to take you Korean style sometime.
Well, we just did.
Gangman style.
All right, there he is, our chef Gavin Forman this week. We'll catch up with you in a fortnight. Gav, I'll let you get off and get on to the rest of your day.
Thank you.
Managing the 515 establishments that come under you these days. We'll catch him in a fortnight. It is our chef Gavin Forman at 2 and URFM 103.7.
A broadcast service of the University of Newcastle.